Now that we understand some spreadsheet terminology, let's talk a little bit more in detail about formulas and functions. A formula instructs the software to perform calculations. All formulas must begin with an equal sign. If a formula doesn't begin with an equal sign, then the spreadsheet does not understand what's being asked of it. When the equal sign, in some cases it would be a plus sign, is keyed in the cell, the software knows that the data will be used in a calculation. If not, it just inputs whatever the data you've put into the cell into that cell. Okay, formulas use the following: addition, the plus sign; division, the /; multiplication, we'll use the star, which is located over the 8 on the keyboard; and subtraction uses the minus or the hyphen, as some people call it. It's very important to understand the order of operations. This is the same thing that we use in our math classes: parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. I know when we were younger, a lot of us learned the little saying, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," to help us remember the order to follow with the order of operations. This falls true with spreadsheets. If you've memorized this, it's good to say this as you're going through it. You always want to complete whatever's in the parentheses first, and then you would do exponents next, multiplication, division, and you always read from left to right, and then addition and subtraction, and once again you're reading from left to right. Functions. If you recall from our spreadsheet terminology, functions are a shortcut formula. And anytime you can use a function, it's recommended that you use a function because it will save you time inputting the data into each cell. The 4 functions we're going to deal with are sum, average, maximum, and minimum. Sum is simply addition. And here's an example: equals sum C4 through C18. Once again, you have to have the equal sign, or the spreadsheet is not going to know that you are performing a calculation. So sum means you're adding the range of the cells C4 through C18. You're adding everything that's in C4 through C18. Now the next function is average. For example, you're averaging everything that is in C4 through C18. Once again, C4 through C18 is the range, so you're averaging the range. Maximum, you want to try to find the highest number in the range of these cells. Your example here is equal max, and then you have your range, C4 through C18. Minimum, you're trying to find the lowest number in the range of cells. So here, you're looking for equal min, C4 through C18, and this will give you the lowest number in that range of cells.